Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with his eyes. So he has kind of like an oval shaped eye. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. And that's going to curve back like this. It's kind of like an egg shape or like a little sideways oval. And then at the top of this, I'm just going to add a little circle in here for the reflection in his eye. Now, I want to make the same shape over here. So I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw a line, just kind of curve it up and down, and then just kind of curve it back like this. And then I'm just going to add another little circle up here for the reflection. Now, right between his eyes, he's got a pretty big nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes across, and then it's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up like this. And then I'm going to put two little curves in here, just like that, for the nostrils. Now, right above the nose, you want to put two little curved lines. I like to do a little bit bigger one and then a little bit smaller one for some wrinkles on his nose. Now, we want to make his head. So I'm going to start right down here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come back down, and I don't want to touch the eyes right now. I want to leave a little bit of space. So I'm going to start down here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up. It's going to curve up, kind of come to a rounded point. Then it's going to come down like this. And then I'm just going to connect it with a nice little bit of a curve, kind of like a big smiley face. Now, starting at this eye, he has kind of like a little spot around his eye. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go right towards the face, or the head I should say, kind of come down and then curve back around to here. So then same thing here, I'm going to draw a curve that goes above the eye. I want it to touch the side of the head, and then just kind of curve right around, and it's going to come back and touch the eye. Then right here, I'm going to just draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up, go down, and then kind of curve back up and down here. Now, in the middle of the head here, I'm just going to put two little bumps for some hair. Now, starting over here by the eyes, I'm going to start down here. You just want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to come back down like this. I'm going to put a little line that goes in and then back out, kind of like a little sideways triangle. And then I'm just going to curve it right down here. So then same thing over here, kind of start by the eye, draw a line that curves up. It's going to kind of curve back down here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go in and out. And then I'm just going to curve it back into here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and then go right to here. And then same thing here, just kind of curve up and then go right to here. And that just shows like the inside and outside of the ear. So now I want to make the body just a little bit smaller than the head, kind of like a little bit cartoonish. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of curve around, and then it's just going to come back up like this. I'm going to start here, do the same thing, another little line that just kind of goes down, curves around, and then comes back up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve out, and then same thing over here. Make a little line that's just going to curve around, and then I'm going to bring it right over here to the hands. Little line here, just going to curve out and do the same thing. Just go right here to the hands. And then I'm just going to make a little line right in here. Then I'm going to make 3 little V shapes on the ends of the arms here for his little toes or claws. And then on the feet, I'm going to add a curved line here and then a curved line right here. And then I'm just going to color in 4 little circles right on here for his toes. So I'm going to color a little one here, up here, here, and then right here for his toes. And then I'm just going to draw a little line here and a little line here just to show that there's some different colors on his stomach. And then the last thing is I'm just going to do a little squiggly line right here for some fur. And there you go. There is your drawing of Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.